special person.
Even it's a bit of coordinating.
Sometimes you forget to put it on and sometimes you forget to put it off. Enjoy your trip. It was quite funny before. We just finished the field at the Crichton. There was a black rabbit running right in front of the header. Then we came across another one. But as far as I'm aware, it got up the ends.
Oh well.
One lucky rabbit.
One lucky rabbit. That's one thing this doesn't take a lot of running away from.
No. No, it seemed to go, then it stopped and it took off again. I thought it was going to end up as mince, but not. I filmed Stuart Barber this year.
Right.
Well, it's the first time I've ever filmed the potatoes, to be honest.
We're getting well through now.
I would think so. I had to stop there a while. They caught up in what was done.
Yeah.
Who else drives the harvester?
Just myself or Dad sometimes.
Right.
That's it.
So will the TM be staying with you for a while?
Yeah, it'll probably stay a long time. Well, it's very reliable.
Very good. So how many acre can you, I know it's different fields, it's different, can you actually plant in a day?
Varies, normally aim for 6 or 7 acre a day.
Right.
Normally not a bad day, 1 de-stoner and 1 planter. Sometimes it's 10 acres and sometimes...
It just depends on the size of the field and lots of variables, isn't there?
Yeah.
Down at Longtown? The guys with that over from Ireland at Crichton today, they're going there tomorrow. Trial plots.
What do they use to harvest?
It's a Rico Mangeli sort of thing. You'll see it on YouTube shortly if you watch my videos, I don't know. It's a 3-row, but they use 2-row because they come and plant it as well. Right.
This morning we're broken down. Normally try and get left the yard at 7 o'clock.
Right, up and at it. So where does all these other guys come from, various places?
They're all fairly local.
Right. So you got 4 in the back of the machine today?
Yes.
Is that the maximum, is it?
Yeah. It's normally just 2 to work with in the back. 2 in the back and then 4 in the grader.
Right.
But we're only digging, we're not grading today.
Oh, she's taking shows off today, I can see.
Shaws and stones.
Stones,
A lot of, there's quite a lot of stone.
Right.
On holiday from the school.
I see that it's a good week today. Well, not a good week today, but a good week for the
Holidays, yeah.
You want a dry week this week, if anything else.
Yeah. This week, and I think next week as well, I think.
Right. You ever get any trouble with dirt on the road at all?
No, not
too
normally,
bad.
no, but we've got a road brush on Telehandler for
Right.
the army permits.
So you always clean up behind you.
Yeah. It's not too bad if we're in, like if we're hauling these home and it was messy, I've seen us sometimes loading them onto another trailer at the gateway and just have one trailer running the road, keep the mud off and it's really wet.
Right.
Did that a lot Maven last year.
Right. So you
Save running mud on the road. 30 tractors, not being able to see lights. And then it allowed us to work with just 6 boxes in the field and 4 boxes when it was wet.
Right. So, so
then
you didn't have to have a load on.
No, and then loaded up 12 onto a trailer to go home.
Lots of different ways you can sort things out.
Aye, yeah. Try and keep everyone happy.
It's not easy.
No, it's not.
The grind cutlass. New Holland T70. T7030, that's what it is. And it's a Grime GZ 1700 DLS. Well, 15 years of age. It's a big machine.